Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and we are going to open up a box of PSO-RITE from PSO-RITE. I got an email the other day. PSO-RITE had offered to send me some stuff, and it showed up within 2 days, which I am super impressed by. But they are in Santa Monica, and I am also in LA, so I guess it really didn't have to go very far. I already cracked the seal on it, because I always crack the seal on stuff beforehand, because I don't actually read the labels normally, because I'm not great like that. Let's see what's inside the box. All right, so we cracked the seal on this box already. So Mini Muscle Release, Night Black. I asked for all black. We got to keep a theme going. Instructional card with warnings on it. I always love the warnings, they're my favorite part. Psoas, low back, hips, shoulder, inner thigh, all good. And this is what I've been super interested in, the PSO-SPINE. Getting the muscles around your spine to be not thrashed all the time is extremely important and very hard to do. And you know, you have the double peanuts and all the other stuff like that, but I saw this the other day and I immediately wanted it because it looks super dope. So here we go. What color is these called? Night Black, as opposed to Day Black. Night Black, super cool. Ooh, look at this one. Little tiny boy. I don't know what that's for, but we'll find out. And the PSO-SPINE, which is probably the greatest thing ever. I bet this thing is going to be the greatest thing ever. Ooh, made in the USA. Very into that. I've used one of these before. My CrossFit buddy had one. He had it in the CrossFit gym. He's a professional triathlete, and he started using it every day. So I started playing with one of these last year, but seeing as how COVID, the gym has been closed, haven't been using it. But now we have our own here. That's good to see. We've got that. We've got the PSO-SPINE, and we have another little one. Look at this. So now I've got 4 little bad boys. I think this is a keychain. A keychain PSO-RITE. I'm not sure what that's going to be for, but we'll find out. This is our mini one with instructions. We're going to play with these. Ooh, this one looks great. Opposite sides of the neck. Always a must for kettlebellers. Pec, shin. Ooh, that one looks like a meanly good idea. We're going to use these, and I'm going to let you guys know moving along in the future about them. This is just a little open it up, see what's in the box video. And we're going to use them and drag them around the world with us. I really like the idea of having things that I can put in my carry-on luggage. And this now looks like an entire kit. If I combine this with a 3.5-inch spiky black ball, A, it'll all be color coordinated. B, I'm pretty sure that'll take care of almost anything that we have. If we don't have massage available. Let's try it out. This has been Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica.